Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be watching me turn into Power from Chainsaw Man. Alright, so howdy y'all. We're feeling crusty, nasty. It was a bad day when I was filming this, and so this was like my last ditch effort to make it a good day. So starting with my Omega Water from Inculus, then e.l.f. Poreless Primer. I love Power, she's so iconic. I love her, love her, love her. Already getting into eyeshadow primer. Sorry, I just realized how fast I edited that. Then next we are not blacking our eyebrows because I didn't feel like it. Again, was not the day to be doing that. So I just put white mascara in there and let them get a little bit like dry, tacky. And then I took mostly that like bottom right. The salmon color, and I just packed it on. Now, if you have a lot of eyebrows, maybe you want to, if you have a lot of eyebrows and you want to do her eyebrows canonically, maybe think about blocking them out with glue and whatever, but I have enough, but also little enough to work with, to work around. Because I'm not doing the little itty bitty comma eyebrows, dear goodness. Not on my life. Also, if you hear thunder, it's because I am recording my voice over during the middle of a thunderstorm because it's the only time my house is quiet since it's 11 at night. So sorry if you hear that. From here I am concealing my eyebrows to make them a little bit more shorter and then more rounded instead of straight. So I got rid of my arch for the most part, cut off my tail, rounded out the fronts. Again, not totally canonic, but I'm not upset. I'm trying to explore more, I don't know, editorial, stylistic choices when it comes to makeup. So then I went in with my Misha foundation, nothing new there. And then this e.l.f. Contour, because when you blend it out, it's rather sheer, which I like. And then I'm putting it along my entire jaw up to my cheek to create a V shape. And then I'm contouring my nose. So yeah, when you blend this out, what it's going to do is cast a shadow. So if you have a more square jaw, like I kind of do, I guess, it makes your face just look a little bit more slim. Shout out to the 2015 Uzong Korean girlies that they were obsessed with the V face, and instead of getting plastic surgery, they just contoured differently. And then I am going in with a little bit darker just for my jawline. This is Fenty. All products will be listed below, per usual. And then taking my favorite brush and blending. And then I did add a little bit of the Fenty back on my nose. Again, I'm trying to do a little bit more like, not animated features, but more stylized. So like really slim nose, more fun with the eyebrows. I'm trying to get into contacts. This is the first time I'm actually doing makeup with contacts on. So, all right, some girls like to make it rain. I like to make it snow. So set your face. Then I'm going in with this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to take that color, and I'm going to put it right there. So I did leave my contour not powdered. I don't know, just wanted to. I don't know how to explain it. It just makes sense in my head. Like you wouldn't bake your contour that you want to be more contrasting, I guess. And then I'm going with a lighter shade just to blend out and buff out those edges where I did place new shadows because I have very flat and very small eyelids, or eyelid space. So that's why I don't go super ham with like eyeshadow looks. I'm gonna try and get into that too, but I kind of want to get the mug down, the face base. And then I'm connecting my contour to my eyes from my nose, buffing out those harsher spots with a fluffy brush. And then I am focusing on the outer third of my eye, flicking out. Same shades, just mostly contour shades. More like cool tone browns, gray browns, whatever you want to call them. Again, if you hear the thunder, I am so sorry. And then I am taking a little bit of like a rosy-ish color just because her hair. I don't know. I like to incorporate the hair or the eye color into the eyeshadow look. especially if I don't feel like wearing contacts. Like before, when I would go to conventions, I would not wear contacts and I would just do my eyelids the color of the character's eyes. And guess what? It worked. Taking that pinky color under my eyelids on the bottom, I'm feeling myself because I'm like, oh, this is giving fantasy. And then it didn't, because I really did not know what to do with the lips. Because I got big old lips, and in the anime, she has nothing going on. So I tried to do do whatever the fuck, makeup on my lips, so you conceal like parts, and then you contour with lipstick, lip liner with other parts. I don't know. I never got into lips, just because mine are big and they stand up by themselves. I never really had to do anything super special. I will say doing makeup with contacts in, very interesting because everything was like a yellow fuzz around the edge. Excuse me. It kind of worked out. Kind of. I don't know. Then I powdered my eyelids just to set the rest of the eyelid. And then I'm taking the skinny end of my dual-ended She Glam eyeliner pen. And I am making the world's smallest, teeniest, weeniest little wing. And I am connecting it both ends. I was just going to leave the middle blank. However, didn't work out that way because I flipped my jib on the other eye naturally. I don't know why it's easier for me to do my left eye even though I'm right-handed. My right eye, I just never can get it good. I think I must put the pressure on the middle part of the pen tip versus the tip of the tip. Celebrating because, again, my day got a lot better because of this. What had happened, I'm taking glitter on my eye, my inner corner, and then I also smudged it, and so I cleaned it up. So what had happened is I went house hunting with my boyfriend earlier, and just none of the houses were it. And in our areas that we're looking, how do they say it? Was it champagne taste with Coca-Cola prices or something? Whatever. My dad says that. Also, I had this like patchy little breakout. Still getting my hormonal acne figured out. That's really fun. So I'm taking a little bit of a creamy, thick concealer, and I'm just dabbing it on so that it's not like crackling as much. And then I was trying to do the bottom eyelashes and like that cute little, I don't know who started it, like e-girls or something, or maybe like I don't want to say kawaii, but you know what I mean, like the more like cutesy fartsy girls. Where they like pinch their bottom eyelashes together, and like I have bottom eyelashes to work with, and I didn't want to put on fake bottom eyelashes, so I tried to hold the mascara brush perpendicularly to my eyelashes so that it kind of clump, which works a little bit, but I don't think I'd use this wand again. I think I'd use something else that's maybe a little bit thinner and just build up the layers, because I had to pick out the clumps at the end of each eyelash clumpage, the clumpage within the clumps. And then after that, I went ahead and I pinched them together, which kind of worked, kind of didn't. I don't know. It was an interesting sleigh. Taking the skinny end again and just filling in between, because I don't want to create a like buffed out eyeliner bottom lid thing. I don't know what the word is. Smoked out bottom liner. I wanted a very specific sharp line, so went in with that. And then went in with a peachy blush, then my contour, my actual contour palette. By the way, this smells like chocolate, and I've had it for 3 years. It smells so good. One day I just want to bite it. Again, just skinnying my nose. And then taking powder contour, and I'm going along my jaw, from cheek to jaw, and then along the bottom of my jaw with the darkest shade only. Then highlighting tip of the nose, bridge of the nose, not connecting in the middle, and then my cheek, blended it out just a wee, and I bring it up to my eye and I circle it around, and then also do the edges of your nose. That way it looks more put together. Take it from me, I have 2 boomer parents. They will let you know if your makeup looks like shit. So if you want to look more like cohesive and natural and enough to wear boomers, shut the fuck up. Connect your nose or highlight. And then once I put on the power shirt, I realized how washed out I look. So I tried to add more blush. Kind of worked. And then went back, added the wig. I did have to like pin it because I cut it incorrectly. I'm not gonna talk about it. And then I added the horns. I had to put little ponytails in. This is the fit. She's kind of cute. She's kind of a slay. I'm happy about it. So thank you for watching. Whoa, Jesus. Dropped you there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, do whatever you can. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. But goodbye.